Guess and check tables. The guess and check table is a very user-friendly tool to solve word problems without having to use any algebraic calculations. In order to use a guess and check table, you are going to try to guess the answer to the problem and then work backwards to see if it fits what the problem has to say. The problem we're going to solve is this. The perimeter of a triangle is 105 centimeters. One side is twice as long as the shortest side. The third side is 5 centimeters longer than the shortest side. Find the lengths of all three sides. Since we want to find the lengths of all three sides, we're just going to guess what the length of one of the sides is as a good place to start. Recalling that a triangle has three sides, recalling that the perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all three sides, we're now ready to begin. I make a t-table, and I'm going to start with my guess as the length of side 1. I need to find the length of side 2 and the length of side 3. A very good place to start is to guess an answer of 10. We don't know that that will work, but we've got to start someplace, and 10 is an easy number to multiply and add to. So there is my guess, 10 centimeters long. The problem tells us that the one side is twice as long as the shortest side. Hopefully this is our shortest side, and so we know that twice means to multiply by 2, so the second side guess will be 2 times 10, or 20 centimeters. My second column will represent the length of the second side. Side 3, the third side, is 5 centimeters longer than the shortest side. 5 centimeters longer means to add 5 to our guess, our shortest side. So in column 3, I will have 10 plus 5 equals 15 centimeters. Recalling that we know the perimeter of the triangle is 105 centimeters, I need to know if these numbers do add to 105 centimeters. So my third column will be representing the perimeter equaling 105 centimeters, and 10 plus 20 plus 15 equals 45 centimeters. Looking at our guess, 45 is much lower than 105, so I'm going to write too low here. Now, I need to guess again. If 10 is too low, I'm going to try a much bigger number. I'm going to try 30. Now, once we've guessed the length or the answer of 30, we need to check and see if it works. The length of side 2, remember, was twice as long. So 2 times our guess of 30 equals 60 centimeters. Recall side 3 was 5 centimeters longer than our guess. Our guess was 30. 30 plus 5 equals 35 centimeters. The perimeter, adding all three sides, is 30 plus 60 plus 35 equals 125 centimeters. That's too big. I'm going to put down too high or too big. And now I know I've got it trapped. It's not 30 centimeters long, it has to be less than that, and it has to be greater than 10. So I'm going to try again another guess. This time I'm going to try something closer to 30 because the perimeter was closer, and I'm going to guess 25. Side 2 is twice as big. 2 times 25 again equals 50. Side 3 was 5 centimeters longer. 25 plus 5 equals 30. Perimeter, 25 plus 50 plus 30 equals 105 centimeters. Bingo. That's right where I want to be. My guess of 25 works perfectly when I check out my answer relating the other sides to it. Sometimes it's going to take you more than 3 guesses. Sometimes you might get it on the second. Depends upon what kind of a guesser you are. But remember, it's always a good place to start is at 10. It's just a good number to work with. Finally, I need to write the solution to the problem, or the answer, finding the lengths of all three sides. So in a complete sentence, I will write the lengths of the sides are 25 centimeters, 50 centimeters, and 30 centimeters. Guess and check does just what